Next, I'm going to use a video to help you quickly learn the whole process of how to join business and start earning money. First of all, we need to download a Depuis wallet. If we want to use a decentralized app, then we need to connect it to it with a decentralized wallet broad port. So open the App Store in your phone, search for Depuis wallet. Then download it to your phone. Once the download is complete, open your Depuis wallet to start creating a wallet account of your own. Here, we just need to follow the Depuis wallet registration instructions. So step 1, click I don't have a wallet to create a new wallet of our own. Step 2, set the login password. Here it is better to enter a password that is easy to remember. It can be a combination of numbers, letters, or letters and numbers. It's all up to you to enter a password combination that is easy to remember. After having finished typing, remember to click I have read and agreed terms of service in the bottom left corner, and then confirm the creation. Step 3. Select the BNB Smart Chain in a single network wallet list. Here, since the business is the smart contract built to run on the BNB Smart Network, we need to create a wallet with the same network properties to help us participate into the project. After selecting BNB Smart Network, set a name of our wallet. There's no special requirement, just fill it in as you like and click on Next to move on. Now let's continue. Step 4. Back up your memory words to keep your wallet safe. Here we can see the advice of the Depuis wallet. Use a pen or paper to copy down our memory words in the correct order and keep them in a safe place. Do not store or transfer our memory words over the internet. A memory word is a combination of a bank account and a password that allows you to access your wallet account as long as you have the memory words. So it's important to keep it in a safe place to protect your assets. We should also like you to follow the advice on how to save your memory words. Write it down correctly with a pen and paper. Now click Generate. And maybe take some time to transcribe it. When you're done, click on Verify Backup to verify your memory words. Make sure you have clicked on the words in the order in which we wrote it down. And after the verification is successful, we will have a crypto wallet of our own. Let's complete. Now we successfully have our own wallet, which will protect our crypto assets from any loss, because only we can control the system and the account. As we can see on the home page of the wallet, we can see that the only data displayed in assets is just the BNB token, which as the core token in the BNB Smart Chain. Also assumes the role of being the transaction rate unit. The BNB token is used to pay for transaction fees and smart contract execution fees on the BNB Smart Chain. This makes BNB a necessity for any transaction and a smart contract operation on the network. And if we want to participate in business, in addition to have BNB tokens, we also need to have some business constant investment tokens, USDT, which is our main source of the investment expenses and income. Now we need to click on the plus sign to add USDT token in the BNB Smart Chain, which will add the token asset display about USDT BEP20 to our wallet asset display and help us manage our crypto assets more intuitively. Let's click. Now we can see USDT in the list of the popular tokens with the abbreviation BSC displayed on its icon. Find it and click the plus sign next to it to add it successfully. Once it is added, we can either swap the screen to the right or click the cancel icon in the upper right corner to return the wallet homepage.